Hello guys, this is Tarun here and you're watching Trade with Tarun. So today we booked around 2000 of profit in Bank Nifty. So let me show you my positions. Okay, so we didn't able to record those live recording of those trades. So today I'm gonna show you those position like this. Okay, so these are the three position which we took today, and we took Nifty's position and we booked the losses of 600. Then we took Bank Nifty's position and we also booked the losses of 300 rupees, and then we finally took the trade of Bank Nifty with the profit of 2800. And let's discuss what the reason and logic was. Okay, so what we are going to do, let me first draw some important level, which is previous day high. Previous day high and previous day close are similarly same. What we have to do, we have to wait for 5 minutes. Okay, and what happens in first 5 minutes, this candle able to sustain above the above this level. Okay, so when it able to sustain, where we have to enter, we just enter simply when this candle broke it high. Okay, so we just went long that time, and you can easily see that our stop loss hits, our SL hits somewhere on that level, and we booked our losses immediately. And then we are waiting for opportunities, and then we wait calmly our setup, and I took trade on 1 minute of time frame. Okay, in the Bank Nifty is 1 minute of time frame. Okay, so where I took another trade, I took some around on that level when Bank Nifty was falling stiffly without any retracement. So I just thought it's been a good time to create a long position, because here the price action was bullish one, and these two candles are with volume, so that's why I used to create position on that point, and I just booked it on that because it's been previous day high. So that's why I took trade here and I booked it somewhere around here, and this is how we convert ourselves in profit, and that's it. So what actually made us profitable today, that's the important thing. So what made it profitable today? Good risk reward ratio. What the risk reward is, as risk reward ratio is what reward we are taking in front of risk, that is the what risk reward ratio is. So let me first show you how much of my risk reward ratio is here. So my risk reward is more than 2% here, more than 2% here. Look, I just entered here with the SL of that much of point and the target of that much of point. So we just book how much of point we just booked. We just have a 1:2 risk reward. So that means if we lose 1500, and if we made profit, we will go for 3000. But I'm damn sure that market will take support here, so that's why I took trade here with two lots. And then we just book our profit somewhere around on that level, and this is how we made profit, and that's it. And I just only want to tell you that always should have to maintain 1:2 risk reward to get good amount of profit and to convert yourself profitable. So always manage good risk reward ratios and follow simple thing. And I simply follows my setup, but my setup doesn't work today. But by following good risk reward ratio, we convert ourselves profitable. So this is how you have to convert yourself profitable, by following simple rules with discipline. So always maintain your disciplines and you will able to get profitable soon. And hope you like the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.